Do you have a stunning design and you want to create a product mockup for that design? In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can be able to create a professional and well-looking product mockup. Please follow up this video to the end so you miss out any step. Hi viewers, my name is Wilfred Osin and I welcome you to this channel Smart Learn Media. In this channel, we post educating content that can help you thrive in the online space. We also post content on digital marketing, affiliate marketing, content that can help you make money online. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification button so that YouTube algorithm will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you are an existing subscriber, do well to maintain by pressing the bell icon so that you will be notified. So let's get started. Head over to your browser, then search for this website, placeit.net. Then you see a beautiful website that will pop out, just like this one. Now you can see here, Place It by Evanto. We have the mockup page, design page, logo page, and videos, gaming, and level page. Okay, so there are a couple of things you can do with this website, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be focusing more on this mockup page because I want to show you how you can utilize this website to create any product mockup. Okay, any kind of product that you want to create with mockup, you can come up to this mockup page here. As you can see, we have the highlights mockup, which comprises of holidays and Indian inspired mockups, POD brown and summer mockups. We have the apparel mockups. Here on the apparel, we have 3D mockups. We have that is to say, if you want to make 3D mockups, you come to AI made mockups, all apparel, face masks, hats, hoodies, legis, mesh videos, ounces, product only, sport bras, and sport wears. We also have sweatshirts, t-shirts, and tank tops. Okay, so we also, when it comes to this digital, there are many digital mockups you can make, all digital, Android apps demos, MacBooks, iMac, iPad mocks, and iPhone mocks. Okay, now you also have print. On print, you have many of them here. On print on demand, you have many of them. Then promotional, you have many of them. So what we'll be doing basically here in this video is to choose one of these randomly. To choose one, we have t-shirt. Okay, let's assume I want to add my logo on my t-shirt. Okay, I want to add my logo on the t-shirt. Now to say, I'll go to this t-shirt and click on it. Now you can see, say make a t-shirt mockup in second. Okay, so you can see you have selected the category, which is t-shirt. Here you have to come here and select the gender. That is to say, if you have any specific gender you want to use. You also have, okay, if you have any specific gender you want to use, you come here, either woman, man, girl, boy, or non-binary. Okay, so if you also have a specific age range you want to use, you can come here and choose from adult to youth, kids, senior, teens, and baby. Okay, so here you have the ethnicity. Okay, this is where you select the ethnicity. Okay, specify your ethnicity. Okay, you can choose from white model, black model, Hispanic model, Asian model, Indian model, Southeast Asian model, indigenous model. That is to say, if you are going for this white model, you see only people from the white country. Okay, so if you choose from this black, you see black skin. Okay, so you should, like for my own case, I was choosing this black model. Okay, I'll choose this black model because I'm situated in African country. So when you are choosing black model here, they will give me template for blacks. Okay, so from this template, I'm going to choose my desired template here. So I'll go ahead and choose this one. I'll choose this one here. So I'll be adding my logo here. Okay, on the mock too. So as you can see, it's a t-shirt mockup featuring a woman holding 11 OZ coffee mug. So I'll edit from here. So to add my logo, I'll come to this pen icon where you have edit and click on it. So fast forward, when you click on it, you see this this interface here. You have your interface just like this. So from here you can go ahead and add your design. Okay, so I'll be deleting this one here so that I will show you how you can do that from fresh. Okay, so as you can see, this is your design size, 750 by 1200 pixels. So if you are making your design, it should be in line with this size here, 750 by 1200 pixels. And also for the mug here, for instance, you want to add this mug, just go to your designing software and tailor it to this size here, 950 by 1129 pixels. Okay, so first of all, you also have the color section here where you can change the color of the shirt. Okay, you also have the mug set color here, mug color, where you can change the color of the mug. For instance, for this shirt color, I want to change this shirt from white to any other color. I'll click on this color, so I'll come here and I'll select this color. Okay, so as you can see, our shirt have changed. Okay, if I want to change this color, to also change to this color. Okay, if I want to change this one, to also change. So I'll be going straight to this white. Okay, because I want this white to be here. Okay, so same thing applicable to the mug. If you want to change this mug, you just come here and change the color. Okay, you change the color to this mug. You also change the color, any color that you want. Okay, but I'll be leaving it as white. So the next thing I want to do is to add my design, my logo design to the shirt. Okay, I want to add my design here. Okay, so I'll go straight to this add upload design. So I'll upload it from my computer. So I'll go down where I've saved it from. So I will quickly upload one. So I'll upload this one here. So here on this edit layout, you have to crop it here to match your desired size. Okay, so I will position it. As you can see, here is a live preview where you can see the progress of your work here. Okay, as you can see, I want to shift it up a bit. I'll shift it up a bit again. Okay, this way is better. Now I'll have to crop. So we have our logo on the shirt now. As you can see, we have our logo on the shirt. So one thing I want to do again is to come here. I want to add our logo on this cup, so you can see it right here. So I will come here on the mug, so upload image, and I will go straight to one of the images here. So I will choose this one, open. So I will position it. So I will crop it here. So as you can see, we have our both mockup here as simple. So when you have done with your mockup here, when you are done and you want to download it, that is if you have subscribed to this Place It website. Okay, if you have subscribed, you have to, they will give you a license to download any of your work. But if you are not subscribed, you will not be able to download it. But still yet, if you have subscribed, come here and they will prompt you to this page where you can purchase this your work. Okay, you can buy it at $7.95 price for this particular template per year. Okay, you buy this particular template for $7.95 per year, whereas this one they are giving you unlimited template. Okay, so you go for unlimited, which is $7.47 per month. This is per year just for this particular template, and this is per month just for this particular template. just for unlimited. Okay, as you say, you'll be unlimited for this template. You have other template that you can use. Okay, so without wasting time again, if you want to download it with watermark, because they did not allow you to download this mockup, so the next alternate you're gonna use is to, you have to copy this place here where you have your work. You have to copy it. So to do that, you have to hold your Control, Shift, and X on your keyboard. So you just have to capture this area, capture it, choose that particular place, okay, of the picture, and you have to save it here. So when you save it, it will start. So it has downloaded here. So I will come here and I will open it here. So I'll open it. So here is our picture. So this is, but mind you, this one has the watermark because it's a free version. Okay, so you can decide to remove this watermark, and that is it. Okay, so the next step to add your, to create a mockup is with Photoshop. Okay, so with Photoshop here, you are going to open your Photoshop software. So I'll be showing you this method because it's free and it's very simple. Okay, so you come to your Photoshop, you open your Photoshop software, you give it a time to load. After waiting this Photoshop to load, now we'll see an interface. So after waiting for the Photoshop, here is our Photoshop interface. Okay, now we are going to, let's assume we already have our picture. You already have a picture you want to add your mockup to. So I'm going to add a picture here. I'll open on my file where I have saved the picture. I'll just open directly on the picture. So I want to be using this picture here. So this is a picture I want to be using. So how do I add mockup here? I want to unlock this layer. I will unlock the picture layer here. So when I unlock the picture layer, I have to go to my tools here, which is my subject. I want to select this background. So to select my subject, I'll go to this select, okay, and choose your subject. So doing that, let me repeat this process. Like I said, I will go to this select, choose this subject, and click on it. You see that your Photoshop will automatically select your subject. So what you are going to do is to hit your layer mask here, to add a layer mask, click on it. Now I'm going to convert this layer to smart object. Okay, I'll convert that layer to smart object here. So convert it. So you have to position your picture. Okay, right now we have to duplicate this layer by hitting Ctrl J on your keyboard. Then we have to come here now to add the mockup that we want to, the logo that we want to use for this mockup. So I will come here direct. I will go to place embedded. Okay, I want to place the logo here. So I will go straight to the logo where I've saved it. I will locate my file. I will locate my file here. So fast forward, I'll be using this picture, so I'll place it. So I have to, okay, I have to adjust this picture to match with the position of the picture. Okay, I have to adjust the logo to match with the position of the picture. So then after adjusting, you have to add the size of the logo. So it's okay for you to check this. Now I want to, looking at it, it does not look real the way it is now. As you can see, you can see this edge here. You can see this edge here. It's not looking real. Okay, so we want it to look more realistic. Okay, so how do we get that? We have to come here, selecting the logo layer, to place it in between the two layer here, the original picture and the copy, in between the two layer. So you place in the center. Now we are going to change the blending mode here. Okay, go to the blending mode. As you can see, it's on normal, so you have to change it to linear bond. Okay, put on linear bond. Okay, so to see how it looks like now, you can uncheck this first layer. Okay, to see it. So when you have checked, okay, let me hide this first layer so that I will do some adjustment here. So we can see our logo here. Now you go to the opacity and you increase it to 90%. Okay, make it 80%. 80 is okay. Now we have it as 80. So we'll come to this layer and we'll enable it back. So we'll come to the blending mode here. From normal, you put it to darker color. Okay, so we leave it this way, darker color. So as you can see, this is you can see that that line, unrealistic line, is out, and we have our mockup this way. So that is how you can create your mockup. Very simple. So if you have gained value in this video, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that YouTube will notify you next time we post a new video like this. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.